hovering idea come to the king's mind, he remembered a story his grandfather had told him about how one of his ancestors became the Sea King, and that crown was the only thing that truly belonged to his own store. He removed his crown. Immediately the threw into the sea. All at once the storm broke as suddenly as it had started. The scales began to clear, and the crew shouted for joy as they set sail once more for the island of Temasek. When the king stepped onto the island, a creature appreciated out her nowhere. The king and men were struck by its manifest, since it was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a hairy name, a witch neck, and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast started back at him with golden eye and let out the